every mother wants to do what's best for her baby, but when we're pregnant, sometimes it's tough to know how much the body can handle. In this week's Medical Center Health Systems Taking Care of You, we're talking with the fitness director at Mission Fitness, Abby Magnus, about this important topic. Thanks so much for being here with us today.
Absolutely.
So you say the first thing we should think about is that this is healthy for you and for the baby, but our doctor should be the guide, right?
Absolutely. So there's basic guidelines that work for a basic pregnancy, but case-to-case basis, you're definitely going to want to talk to your doctor.
So what are some of the principles that we should consider when we're pregnant and want to exercise?
Okay, yeah. It's very important if you were an avid exerciser prior to your pregnancy to continue that. It is good for you. However, if you never really had an exercise program before, you don't want to jump into something too strenuous or something new, especially being pregnant.
Yeah.
It's important to exercise and get that physical activity, but if it's too strenuous, never having done that before, it might not work well with your body.
So if you run before you're pregnant, keep running until your doctor says stop.
Yes, exactly.
And if you are inactive and you get pregnant and you want to make some healthy changes, what are some options then?
Yeah, we usually recommend oftentimes light cardio. So if you come in and do the elliptical or the treadmill, or oftentimes getting into the pool, because it's very important to regulate your temperature. So if you elevate your blood pressure too much, oftentimes that's going to impact the pregnancy, and you want to make sure you're not doing that. So getting into the pool, that can help regulate your temperature, keep you cool, yet still put resistance on your body that's helping you be healthier.
And those of us who have had babies before, we know if you can keep a hold of this and kind of manage this pretty well while you're pregnant, it makes getting the weight off so much easier. I've done both.
Yes.
So it is a lot easier
Yes.
post baby if you've taken care of yourself.
Absolutely, that's a big benefit of it. You're gonna lessen that recovery time postpartum, so you're gonna get that baby weight off a lot quicker. Yeah.
Yes. And you say there is a connection about being healthy when we feel like we're doing something for our bodies and we feel good about our pregnancies.
Right.
Our babies thrive as well.
Yes, there's psychological benefits, especially for the mother. Your body's changing and you feel a lot of hormones during that time.
Yes.
And so yeah, just feeling good about yourself and exercising is beneficial.
And you'll have some programs at Mission Fitness. You probably see some women in who are pregnant. And
we have Moms in Motion program, so we really promote prenatal massages, exercise in the water, as well as yoga.
I encourage that too. Yes, those massages are sounding really good. If you are expecting or you know someone who is, or if you just need to get on a fitness plan yourself, you can always call the pros at Mission Fitness. They are delightful and really make the process easy and not intimidating.
Right.
And I think whatever stage of life you are in, when you make the decision to be physically fit, that helps. That
Absolutely.
you guys are just normal, no big muscle bodybuilder people, just happy, healthy
just
people.
normal. Yep.
Abby, thank you so much for being here with us today.